Welcome to the step-by-step guide for converting your Members Mark Northern Slate 5B propane gas island grill to natural gas. Let's get started. Important: always wear protective gloves during the process and make sure all gas connection is disconnected before conversion process. Open the griddle lid and carefully remove the griddle plate. Next, use a screwdriver to remove the griddle burner, detaching the entire griddle kit. Then, remove the wire from the griddle burner valve. Now, use the tool provided in the conversion kit to carefully remove the propane orifice. Use a wrench to remove the propane regulator. Remove the control knob from the griddle valve. Use a screwdriver to remove the LED backlit panel for access to the valve. Using the tool from the kit, twist the valve to the end. Be gentle and avoid applying too much force while one hand holds the valve steady. Reinstall the entire griddle kit securely back into its place. Open the grill lid and remove the cooking grids and flame tamers to access the main burners for conversion. Remove the crossfire box and main burners, then use the tool from the kit to remove the propane orifices from all main burners. Use the tool to remove the propane orifices from all main burners, and install the crossfire box and main burners back in place. Use a screwdriver to remove the LED backlit panel for access to the valve. Using the tool from the kit, twist the valve to the end. Be gentle and avoid applying too much force while one hand holds the valve steady. Remove the grill lid and place it safely aside. Disconnect the wire for the grill lights and unscrew the 3 screws holding the light bracket in place. Unscrew the rotisserie burner windshield panel. Use the tool from the kit to remove the propane orifice from the rotisserie burner. Reinstall the rear burner windshield panel, but don't tighten it until the light kit is reinstalled and the wires are reconnected. Finally, reinstall the grill lid. Install the natural gas hose and connect the hoses to the natural gas regulator. Ensure all connections are tightened securely to avoid leaks. Your grill is now ready to fire up. Enjoy the convenience and power of natural gas. Your grill is now ready to fire up. Enjoy the convenience and power of natural gas.